Hey travelers, ever wonder what really goes on behind the scenes at airports and airplanes? Today we're revealing the top 15 airport and flight secrets that flight attendants want you to know. From upgrades to comfortable flying, these insider tips could help improve the way you travel. So buckle up and let's dive right in. Number 1, the secret to getting an upgrade. Politeness really can pay off. Airline agents notice when you're kind and respectful. While they can't just hand out upgrades freely, they do remember friendly faces, especially if there are open premium seats. Number 2, avoid the first flight of the morning. Sometimes. That early bird flight may get off the gate on time, but cabin crews say the first flights can also mean cold cabins, sleepy service, and limited food restocks. However, delays are fewer, so it's a trade-off. Number 3, never drink water straight from the plane tank. Stick to bottled water or drinks from sealed cans. The tanks that store water on aircrafts aren't always cleaned as often as you might think. Number 4, the air in the cabin dries you out fast. Cabin humidity is usually less than 20%. So stay hydrated, avoid alcohol, and bring a good moisturizer. Flight attendants swear by this. Number 5, you can ask for the crew's hidden snacks. If you're polite, crews sometimes share extra snacks or treats that aren't part of the standard service. You just have to ask nicely. Number 6, flight attendants know if you've been drinking too much. They're trained to spot signs of intoxication before you even board. Acting rowdy or loud near the gate is a quick way to get denied boarding. Number 7, overhead bins are not for jackets. Bin space fills up quickly. Crews prefer you keep coats in your seat until the end of boarding, unless your bag is small and you can stack smartly. Number 8, seatbelts don't always signal safety. When the seatbelt sign turns off, turbulence can still happen unexpectedly. That's why attendants always recommend keeping it fastened whenever you're seated. 9. Flight crew rest areas exist, and they are hidden. Ever wonder where the crew disappears to on a long-haul flight? There are tiny hidden bunks or rest compartments above or below the cabin where they nap between shifts. Number 10, the cleanest restroom on the plane. Use the restroom right after takeoff or right after meal service. That's when it's been checked by the crew and before heavy mid-flight traffic begins. Number 11, there's a secret way to get water during boarding. When beverage service hasn't started yet, just ask. Crews can pour you a cup from the galley's bottled water. Most passengers don't know that that's an option. Number 12, airline blankets aren't always fresh. Unless your flight is the first of the day, these blankets may have only been refolded, not washed. Always bring your own travel blanket or hoodie. Number 13, early boarding isn't always best. Unless you need extra time or overhead space, sometimes waiting until later means less crowding and smoother boarding. Plus, you'll spend less time sitting in a confined space. Number 14, lost items go somewhere specific. Lost and found items don't stay at the gate. They're usually sent to a central facility. Ask attendants where your airline's lost and found is before you leave the airport. Number 15, the crew's priority is safety, not service. Even when they're pouring drinks and serving meals, attendants are first and foremost safety professionals. Their training is about keeping everyone calm and secure, not just comfortable. And there you have it, 15 insider airport secrets flight attendants want you to know. Which one surprised you most? Let us know in the comments below. If you like these insider tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss your next travel hack. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.